You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language, and you're watching the gardening series. It's a cold and windy and rainy Sunday afternoon, but welcome to the garden. I'll be planting now the dahlias that we hauled yesterday. These are the dahlias. The idea is to form a gradually slanting formation of flowers like that. So tall flowers towards the center and short ones at the edge. The problem is how to identify which ones are tall and which ones are short. We have to go back to the catalog. I have here from last year a listing. Yeah, this was the formation 1, 2, 3, etc. And this were the corresponding dahlias and their respective heights. And if we're not sure, we have to consult this catalog or this collection of packs that we have. Let's start sorting. Number 1 is fascination. Number 1. This is 80 fascination. 1. This is. I can't even read it. I can't read it. I can't read it. First, the readable ones. This is number 3. This is 3. Let's sort. This is number 8. Bristol. Oh, ugly. This is beautiful. This is number Kofka. Number Franz Kofka. It's 80. This is Caesar 55. This is short. I can't read this. Oh, I can't read that. These are tall, so they can be in the center. Bristol right in there. It's difficult to sort the colors, so Bristol right in here. There's a surprise. There were 3 dahlias that I left in the ground. I just mulched them during the winter. And surprise, in this part of the world, they usually dig the dahlias out for overwintering. That's what I did. But I left this tree and they survived the winter. Look. They're beginning to shoot. There's another there. So I think it's good to consider next year or this year. Let's just leave the dahlias in the ground. We planted our dahlias despite the weather and the rain. It's been a busy weekend, but we are able to plant the dahlias. That was a heavy task yesterday, hauling them from the apartment and from the polytunnel. I'd like to leave you now, and I'd like to see you next week, and allow me to continue the sowing of this sweet corn. Until next time, your uncle here at Kuya in Holland.